Hey guys, so I'm doing my hair a little bit different today. I'm going to create a curly bun and I'm going to decorate it with some lock jewelry. And so if you're interested in that, keep on watching. This is Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. I'll be using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Daily Restorative Spray. I love this moisturizer because when you spray it throughout the hair, unlike water, it does not make the hair shrink. You get a really great moisturizing completed and the hair is so flexible. It allows me to manipulate my hair without breakage. And here you see I am using the Mielle Organics Edge Control Gel. Now I don't know why they call this a gel because as you can see it's more the consistency of a pomade. But I like this because it keeps my edges nice and laid even when I'm not looking to do super, swirly, defined out edges. It just keeps my bun smooth. Now I can create some like swirly designer edges, but I'm not doing that for this style. It's meant to be simple and protective. And to secure my bun, I am using the Puff Cuff Mini. I love how this tiny little tool is able to hold all of my hair. Now I don't have super thick hair, but I don't also have the thinnest hair. And the small Puff Cuff Mini allows me to get a pretty decent, as you can see, ponytail done. Now what I'm going to do, because I do not want to have a really tightly curled puff, I'm going to 2-strand twist my hair in the ponytail and roller set. And now for appearance from my other curly girl, Chloe. Say hello, Chloe. Say hello to the people. You don't look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. Say I'm so cute. Give me kisses. No kisses? Kisses. No. Kisses, Chloe. Kisses, Chloe. Alright, Heifer. You don't do kisses? See? What did it say? Give some puppy love. She's such a small dog. And I like literally carry her everywhere because she's so spoiled. See? I mean, she's not that small, but she's small. She's a good girl, though. She's such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Look into the camera. Yes, Christopher, laughing in the bathroom with me. She delights the heck out of him. When they play, it is seriously insane. Like, he beats her. He's so rough. But she just goes back for more. She's like biting him and stuff. Her little teeny tiny teeth don't do any damage. But yeah, they have a great time. Alright, CJ. You're doing the most. Alright. Alright. Go ahead. Go play with CJ. Go on. Go play with Christopher. Anyway, so I will be back in about, well, for you it'll be instant, but for me it's probably, I'm going to leave these in for maybe about an hour, maybe 2. I don't want the curls to get too tight, and I'm going for a looser curly bun, not like a tightly curly bun as if I had done a wash and go. But I'll be back. So yeah, taking out these twists and flexi rods, I'm just going to fluff my hair. It is a little bit frizzy, but again, remember, I'm not working on clean hair. I'm not working on conditioned hair. I'm just working on hair that I actually don't feel like doing, and I am putting it in a protective style. Once I finish separating the hair, I just wrap it around and pin it in place so that my ends are hidden. This is meant to be a curly bun, but also a protective bun. So when you pin it around, it doesn't have to be in any specific fashion. It's just pinning it in a way that you like the way the bun is placed. And to finish it up, I'm just taking some lock jewelry and I'm going to strategically place it throughout my curly bun. Now, if you wanted to rock your natural hair to, say, your wedding or someone else's wedding, you could totally rock this style. You just make the edges a little bit more sleek. You pin your curls in place a little bit neater. But for the sake of an everyday DIY protective curly bun, you could do this just to add a little bit of flair. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.